Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative and I am here with Dollar Tree haul. 3 Dollar Tree hauls, something like that, 4, maybe 4. But anyway, a whole bunch of little storage stuff. So I did get 2 of these. And then I got 2 of these. And again, this is just some reorganization in stores. These are things that are going to be put in bins. 2 of these, and these are the ones that are the automotive ones, so they're thicker than the ones in the craft section. And then I got 2 more of these, and of course they're plastic. 4x3 refillable bags. So a couple, 2 packs of these pens. I like these pens. They don't last as long as I like them, but I like the blue and the black, and I like the 0.7mm because they flow when they do write and have ink in them. And I like my pens to flow when I'm trying to write. I don't have the best penmanship, but when I write, I need something that's going to flow with me. I did get this green and the silver mesh only because I already had the red and the gold, which I've been having that for a couple of years, but I just only got those. I got, I think, probably 4 of these. I got these. Again, that's not for food, but I got it for storage stuff. These would be things that are in some bins, but I just wanted to organize some things. Some more repositional dots. And sorry about the bags. I know some people don't like that. Some more palettes. 6-pack of those palettes. They had I should have on my Instagram. I posted all of the different ones they had like this. They had, these are the leaves. They had the hearts, the arrows, the candy, and something else that was dimensional, like the butterflies with the silver around. I got these, and I thought it's a couple weeks ago because I was with my friend, and they were shopping, and I showed it to them, and they got them, and they got the big ones and the small ones. These are the pastel colors. I just got 1 pack. I don't seem to use them as much. Yes, I like 4 of these. I move these out of the way. That's the other ones. I think I got, 3 blues and 2 pinks. I ended up getting like 6 of these. I had got the pack from I guess Walmart. They were $3 for 24. But I got these because, one, these are bigger than the ones at Walmart. And I am just labeling my paper pads so I can store them vertically. So I just got 6 of these. 6 times 12, 72. Hopefully that's enough. I did get a real Sharpie to use. And again, that's for storage. So the other thing I got was these the retractable holders. These are, I guess, just to put some of my pens and brushes. You can roll the paper up in it as well, like a picture or something. But pens, I don't know. It's like my pens are just, I don't know. Anyway, so it screws out. So you can have different length to it as well, however long you want it to be, to keep your items in. So that's how long it can be. And then, of course, it comes open, but you can, store something in it. I have a lot of cups on my table, but they're the mesh. Some of them have bigger mesh than others and stuff poked through the side. I thought these were kind of cool. I'm going to alter it. That's my point of getting these. But these are just the coupon holders, but what I like about them is different than the coupon holders that I've seen before. And you may have seen them, but I hadn't seen them at my Dollar Tree. But you open it like this. So it has a little pocket right here. And then it has like fold out pockets right here. So I was like, mini album. And they had them in pink, green, purple, yellow. Yeah. So like I was like, way cool. So that was that. And then the other thing, and I posted on my Instagram too, and y'all probably seen it too, they had the crafted square. So these are the adhesive sticky back sheets. And they feel good. They don't feel like they're going to come off at all. I mean, feel like nice gray. Hopefully it cuts well. And they have these sheets as well, printed plaid sheets, adhesive ones. And then I found another store, the metallic sheets. So let me show you the colors inside. And they just open up like right here. See, the metallic's the same as the glitter ones. So You got your silver. Sorry about the reflection. You got that good blush, and then you got your gold, and then you got your pink. So I misshorted already. Somebody stole the sheet out of here or something? Oh, there's the second. I'm going to say, wait a minute. Okay, so it's 2 silvers. Okay. Now we go. So there's 4 colors, 2 and 2 each. So the colors in the glitter, sorry to open it up. I'll show you those. Not quite the same. Almost the same, a little different. But see, it's a different pink, but still pretty. Coordinating match. You got your gold. See, that was a little darker. And then your silver. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And these are already adhesive, so hopefully you punch. I don't know if I'm going to punch these out or not. They also had the glue gun, hot glue gun. They had a whole bunch of other stuff that I didn't buy. I showed you in the other video the puffy gold stickers. But anyway, they had a whole bunch of other stickers. And I haven't been posting them all on Instagram, and tons of books. Oh, lots and lots of craft books. But anyway, so I think that's the gist of my Dollar Tree hauls combined all together, like 3 or 4 of them. But I just thought it was easier just to go ahead and get one video. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.